Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something that came from Germany. This is from Nissin Foods Deutschland. This is, well, let's crack it open and have a look. Wow! Well, I get a lot of things in the mail, but sometimes they just don't show up in time. And I contacted the folks at Nissin Foods Germany about something really cool that they had. They offered to ship it, and it just didn't make it in time. But let's have a look at it. What could it be? It's an advent calendar. It's an instant noodle advent calendar. What I think is fascinating about it is on the side here. Let me see if I can show you that. I don't know if you can see it there. I'll try to get a shot from the camera above as well. But these are all the nutrition facts on all the packs that are inside. Packs, cups, bowls, I'm guessing. I don't know, but this should have shown up. If I would have known about it, I would have contacted them much sooner. And yeah, but we will go through this box one by one. Here is number one. And the first one is sesame deme ramen. Number two. Teriyaki soba. Number three. A pack version of their classic soba. Number four. Cup noodles miso. Number five. Duck flavor. Number six. Chicken flavor. Well, it's morning, so I'm sorry, but I guess I missed number three. This is a good one. This is their chili soba. And number eight. Shrimp soy sauce. And number nine. Chicken deme ramen. And let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 10. A Japanese curry soba cup. Number 11. A spicy one. And number 12. And number 12, we have yakitori chicken. And number 13. A pack of teriyaki soba. Number 14. And a beef cup noodle. Number 15. Soy sauce flavored deme ramen. And number 16. And here's another soba variety. This is the Peking duck. And number 17. And this one's a Japanese curry soba variety. And number 18.
and a spicy hot chili cup noodles.
And number 19. Deme Ramen Miso. And number 20. Cup Noodle Soba Chili Flavor. And 21. Yakitori Chicken Soba. Number 22. Duck Flavor Cup Noodles. And number 23. A beef deme ramen. Cool. And ladies and gentlemen, for Christmas Eve, you would enjoy a big cup noodles classic soba. And now that I've taken everything out, I've dismantled the side of the box and done a big scan of it. As you can see, the list is all here, all the nutrition facts on the side. I just thought that was kind of funny. Very cool. Thank you so much to the kind folks over at Nissin Germany for sending this over. Yeah, hopefully next year, I'm already setting it in my calendar to ask them if they're doing this again. And maybe I can do one of these every day on the going up to Christmas. I think that'd be a lot of fun. So we'll see what happens. And yeah, if you have the chance to try some of these, I think these are all pretty easy to find in Europe. So yeah. All right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.